Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. I am Prabhu and in this session I would like to explain what is the color difference of ByLayer and ByBlock. Generally, when we create blocks, we create entities in 0 layer and color with ByLayer. So let us see what is the difference. First of all, I would like to create a block. Let us see with an example. I would like to draw a rectangle over here, say 5 5 size, and let me draw a diagonal like this, and I would like to create the block. Now I have created these entities in 0 layer with color ByLayer. Now let me create the block. Say block command, give R1 as the block name, pick the insertion point, that is the middle point I am giving, and select the objects. All the options retain as they are, like convert to block the entity selected and scale uniformly and allow exploding. Save OK. Now I am erasing this and let us create two layers. Say layer 1, layer 2 like that, and give different colors to them. So the first one is layer 1, second one is layer 2. I am giving red color to the first one and yellow color to the second layer. Now close this one. Now set the layer 1 as current layer, insert the block R1 in that layer. So if you see, the color of that block is in ByLayer color and it is in red color, which means whatever the color that layer has been assigned, the same color is assigned to this block. Okay, if you try to change its color, let us see what happens. I am giving blue color. Is that changing? No, the same color is there. Try to give another color, say some magenta. No, it's not coming. Why? Because we have created the block definition in zero layer with ByLayer color. Let us try to create another block with ByBlock. So let us see what happens. So I am going to create, first of all, let us take the 0 layer as the current layer, and I am creating a rectangle of the same size, say 5 5. Okay, now let us try to draw two diagonals to make the difference. Now change their color to ByBlock. Okay, now try to create the block definition with the name R2 and pick the point, that is the middle one I am picking, and select the entities and say OK. Now this is R2 block. So now take the layer 1 and insert the block in layer 1, that is R2 block. Already by default it was there. Save OK and click the insertion point. Now it is in layer 1 with ByLayer color. Try to change its color. So I am changing its color to some cyan color. See, its color has been changed to cyan color. Similarly, try to insert another R2 block somewhere and try to change its color to some other color, say green color. So you can see it has been changed to cyan color. This has been changed to green color. That means if you keep ByBlock color in the definition entities, I mean like when you create a block in 0 layer, if you set the color to ByBlock, so that what happens when you insert that block in any layer, you can change its color independently. Means each block instance can be assigned a different color irrespective of layer color. But if you create your block with ByLayer color, you cannot change its color to any other color. All the instances inserted, they will have the same color that the layer color in which they are inserted in. Okay, that means the color of the layer in which these blocks are inserted, the same color will come to each block instance for those which are created with ByLayer color option. But if you assign ByBlock color to the entities of block definition in 0 layer, then into which layer you are inserting in, whatever the layer you insert those blocks in, they can have a separate color. Okay, so ByLayer will have the same color of the layer in which blocks are inserted in, but ByBlock color blocks can have any color irrespective of the layer they are inserted in. So that is the difference of ByLayer color and ByBlock color. Friends, hope you understood what's the difference between ByLayer color and ByBlock. Friends, the same concept applies to even line type also. If you set ByBlock line type and ByBlock line weight to the entities that are block definition entities in 0 layer, the same concept applies to line type and line weight also. I mean like when you create a block definition with ByBlock of color, ByBlock line type, ByBlock line weight. Then you can independently change color, line type, line weight to each block when you insert into any layer. So ByLayer, ByBlock concept applies to color, line type, line weight. So these three things, when you set them to ByBlock, you can change them to any other color, line type, line weight irrespective of the layer settings. But if you set them to ByLayer, they will have the block instances that are inserted, they will have the same color, line type, line weight of the layer in which they are inserted in. Friends, hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.